Recessed light housings that are not rated for through-branch circuit wiring are not designed to have wires from another electrical fixture passing through them. This means the wires from another light fixture cannot connect to the wires inside the housing and then continue to another fixture. Using recessed light housings that are not rated for through-branch circuit wiring has several restrictions. Firstly, safety is a hazard. Passing wires through a non-rated housing can increase the risk of electrical shock, fire, or overheating. The housing is not designed to accommodate the additional wires, and the insulation on the wires can become damaged. Secondly, it is a code violation. In many jurisdictions, it is a violation of electrical codes to use non-rated housings for through-branch circuit wiring, which can lead to failed inspections and potential fines. Thirdly, warranty can be voided. Using non-rated housings for through-branch circuit wiring may void the manufacturer's warranty for the lights. Recessed light housings that are rated for through-branch circuit wiring have the following advantages. Firstly, they are designed for extra wires. These housings are specifically designed to accommodate wires that pass through them. Secondly, there is insulation protection. The housings have built-in wire guides and insulation protection to prevent damage to the wires. Thirdly, it ensures code compliance. These housings meet electrical codes and ensure a safe installation. Using recessed light housings that are not rated for through-branch circuit wiring is a poor choice, posing safety hazards, violating codes, and voiding warranties. Always choose housings that are specifically rated for through-branch circuit wiring to ensure a safe and compliant installation. When selecting recessed lighting, it's crucial to understand the different ratings and how they impact your installation. One of the key distinctions to consider is whether the housing is rated for through-branch circuit wiring. This rating indicates whether the housing is designed to accommodate wires from other electrical fixtures passing through it. If a housing is not rated for this purpose, it means you cannot connect wires from another light fixture to the wires inside the housing and then continue those wires to another fixture. There are significant restrictions when using recessed light housings that are not rated for through-branch circuit wiring. A primary concern is safety. Passing wires through a non-rated housing can significantly increase the risk of electrical shock, fire, or overheating. These housings are simply not designed to handle the additional wires, and the insulation on the wires can become damaged, leading to hazardous conditions. Secondly, using non-rated housings for through-branch circuit wiring can lead to failed inspections and potential fines. Finally, using non-rated housings for through-branch circuit wiring may void the manufacturer's warranty for the lights. In contrast, recessed light housings that are rated for through-branch circuit wiring offer several advantages. Firstly, they are designed for extra wires. These housings are specifically designed to accommodate wires passing through them safely and efficiently. Secondly, these housings have built-in wire guides and insulation protection to prevent damage to the wires. This ensures that the wires are properly managed and protected from potential wear and tear. Thirdly, these housings meet electrical codes and ensure a safe installation. By choosing housings that are rated for through-branch circuit wiring, you can avoid code violations and ensure that your electrical system is up to standard. Therefore, opting for recessed light housings that are not rated for through-branch circuit wiring is generally a poor choice. It introduces safety hazards, violates electrical codes, and may void the manufacturer's warranty. To ensure a safe and compliant installation, it's always best to choose housings that are specifically rated for through-branch circuit wiring. These housings provide the necessary features and protections to handle multiple wires, reducing the risk of electrical issues and ensuring long-term safety. When working with electrical installations, it's important to understand the specific ratings and requirements of the components you are using. Choosing the right components can make a significant difference in the safety and reliability of your electrical system.